তুই আমায় পাগল করলি রে, তুই আমায় পাগল করলি রে।
বসে আছি ওরে আমার মন তোমার আসবে
ওই কার্ডটা এনে দেবে
খালা যখন তখন করো দয়াল, বুঝি না চাই তোমার খেয়াল, তোমার আমার এই যে দেওয়াল ভাঙবে রে তখন ভাবি আসবে টেলিফোন।
তুই আমায় পাগল করলি রে, তুই আমায় পাগল করলি রে। কোথায় পেলি সোনার কাঠি, আমার পরাণ কোথায় পেলি সোনার কাঠি, আমার পরাণ কোন সে ঘুমের থেকে জেগে, কোন সে ঘুমের থেকে জেগে জড়ায় ফুলের কোমল মধুরে 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 মধুরে।
This happens to be a very favorite corner of my album because all these coffee mugs were being gifted to me on some occasion or the other, but I was really short of place to showcase all those. So these are actually tokens of love and affection and maybe respect too. So finally I thought of this milk bottle shaped rack because coffee mugs has connection with coffee and coffee with milk. So ছোটবেলার ফরিং ঘাটার যে দুধের বোতল, so I connected that thematically. So this is a milk bottle shaped rack for the coffee mugs. So it's a favorite design of me and favorite corner of me because it's full of love and affection. Yeah, it is of course self-designed, but again implemented by a specialist. This spot in my veranda is again a very favorite corner of my oven because I love to visit places and I've visited quite a few, and I always try out the local cuisine wherever I go, and I also try out the local artifacts. So I've collected these from various points. This one from South India, this one from Bhutan, this one from Orissa, in a village in Orissa. These two are from Purulia, and this one is from Dokhin Dinajpur. So these are the creations of the local artists, which I consider to be very valuable for our entire culture. So I try to preserve Indian culture in this world. A guitar happens to be the most essential instrument for any rock band. So I have a fascination, tremendous weakness for the guitar. And the shape of the guitar is also very fascinating to me. So whenever I was trying to think about out of the box Gurut's idea for a dining table, I thought of a shaped guitar. So, that was very difficult to convert this idea into practicality. But somehow I got hold of a very good designer, a learned one. He's a furniture designer specialist, Shomon Bishas. So I got in touch with him and discussed that I want to make a dining table in the shape of a guitar. He said, what? I don't know how to implement that, but you have to do it. So after a lot of research and a lot of sketches, he came up with this shape where the neck of the guitar is over here and the head is over here, and the shape is obviously for the shape of guitar. And this was his addition. The camera can come over here. What would happen to the strings? So it was his design entirely that the strings get wings and become Gurutpati. So everything makes this dining table very, very favorite of mine, very close to my heart. And